Welcome back to the Business Design Centre. Under the current guidelines, our venue will reopen on October the 1st to cater for large-scale events, conferences and exhibitions. We hope this short video will give you an idea of what you can expect from the measures in place to ensure your safety and comfort on site. We're based in a well-connected area of London, so there are many ways to reach the BDC. If you choose to cycle or drive, then our parking facilities have been made as safe as possible, with one-way access on foot and enhanced cleaning of those areas that you may come into contact with. Although we expect events to have staggered arrival times, if it is busy when you arrive, we have made it possible to queue comfortably before you enter the building. We ask that you maintain 2 meters distance where it is possible and avoid making contact such as shaking hands with others in line with the government's guidance. When you are greeted by our front of house team, they will be wearing personal protective equipment or standing behind protective screens within reception. All events will continue to operate safely, with bag searching in place upon arrival. We ask that you clean your hands as soon as possible, using the hand sanitizer provided or inside the venue with soap and hot water at one of the hand washing stations. We expect that e-ticketing and connecting with other attendees using your mobile device will become more commonplace, so to ensure that your phone has enough battery, we have more charging stations available and sanitised throughout the venue. Organisers will be required to keep attendee data for up to 21 days in order to assist the NHS with test and trace if this is needed. Thermal imaging software at both entrances to the venue will ensure that no person with an elevated temperature of over 38 degrees is allowed to enter the main building. Guests who are over this temperature will be offered the option to retest after taking a short time to rest in a safe area. Depending on the event, it may be that you are asked to wear a mask. Some events may choose to provide these, but if for some reason you need to buy one, they are available in reception. We continue to follow official recommendations when it comes to the wearing of masks and face coverings. For the moment, we ask that where possible you avoid bringing excess items on your visit, as cloakroom facilities will be limited for the time being. You will notice that each floor has a one-way system implemented, with distancing advice that we ask you to please observe. This may apply within your event area to avoid bottlenecks at pinch points, so ask that you follow event-specific guidance from the organiser. There are areas that require common sense to be used, such as toilets and corridors. We've implemented advice in these areas and ask that you be patient and give others space. Cleaning of high touch points will continue, and a fogging machine will be regularly used to sanitise communal areas, conference rooms and other facilities. Exhibition stands will be fogged, and we ask that exhibitors keep touch points to a minimum, incorporating wiping down throughout their day. You may find that your nearest toilet is locked now and again. This is just so we can carry out deep cleaning. Within our conference rooms, we will be limiting items such as pads and pens. If you require any of these items, they will be available on request to be taken away with you. We have a fresh air system in place, drawing in air from the outside, ensuring all areas are well ventilated. Jack's restaurant will be reopening in a phased approach, and you will need to use contactless methods of payment, but you will find every precaution has been taken to make their usual tasty food available to you throughout the day. Our exclusive catering partner, the Good Eating Company, are an approved COVID-secure operator. Event catering will follow the same standards as the on-site restaurant, with items packaged in compostable containers. Our sustainability practices will continue to be upheld whilst maintaining hygiene standards. Further space as well as outdoor seating is also available on-site at Skinny Kitchen. Arriving into the loading bay, you will also notice some changes. You will have your temperature read and will be asked to park your vehicle, keeping your window closed. Depending on the event, you may find a one-way system is in place when using the loading bay and lifts. Lifts from the loading bay will have advice on where to stand, and we ask that you follow the guidance from our loading bay team. There are hazardous waste bins available to dispose of masks and gloves appropriately. If you feel unwell at all, we ask you to speak with the concierge team at the front desk or head to the first aid room on the 2nd floor. We will continue to review this guidance in line with government updates, so please always check the advice which is available on our website. This and more information can be found at bdc.london/advice.